If only there was a way. If only there was a way to be doing marketing and establish yourself as an authority at the same time. Wouldn't that be great? I'm going to share a secret with you. There is a way you can get paid to do marketing and get known as an expert. Well, I know what you're thinking. Well, old man, what is this way of getting paid and being a marketing whiz then? Well, I was just getting to it. You see, marketing is all about being the expert, the go-to, the main name in whatever you're doing. An easy way of doing that is to teach what you do. You could run a course or a workshop in your area of your expertise. People will automatically refer to you as the expert in the room. Community centers and adult colleges are always looking for people willing to put on classes or workshops, and a lot of them even have a budget. Often with these places, experience is enough of a qualification to teach. Now you might be thinking that what you're an expert in doesn't easily transform into a workshop. You may be right, but it may well lend itself into a lecture format instead. Remember that this is going to be only a beginner level course that you'd be teaching. Simple principles would be enough to get you started. For sure, another low-key marketing tip. Hey, before we get going, do you want to know what I'm an expert at? Getting people to subscribe to my channel. Go ahead, press that button. I dare you to. Don't forget to hit that little bell thingy for the notifications too. We'll see you next time.